Hey, welcome to Fix It. Today I will show you how to fix WhatsApp images not showing in Gallery iPhone. Let's go! First of all, open up the WhatsApp application. Then tap Settings. After that, scroll down a bit and tap Storage and Data. Now you'll see a section called Media Auto Download and everything is set to off, which means that photos, audio, videos, and documents sent to you are not automatically saved to your iPhone storage. This could be why you're not seeing them in your gallery. To fix the issue of WhatsApp images not showing in the gallery on your iPhone, tap Photos, then select whether you want to auto-download photos using Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular. Select your preferred option. You can also do the same thing for other options as well. Once you've done that, go back, tap Chats. Then toggle on the switch next to the Save to Photos option. This will ensure that all future photos you receive on WhatsApp will be automatically saved to your phone's photo gallery. Thanks for choosing Fix It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.